tired.
Dance with you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.
I'm very hopeful today that it's not gonna rain and the weather's gonna give us a very good experience. It's very serene here and everyone still sleeping. Maybe by this time it's currently 7 a.m. But we're up and about because this is gonna be our last day to explore the Lake District. So we started cooking our breakfast.
Feel that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
Are now on our third day here at the Lake District and this is my outfit. These are all from Colombia.
Feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Everyone ready?
Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
We arrived now in our first destination of the day, which is the Honister Pass, and the view here is so stunning. It's the most beautiful route I've ever had in my entire life. I know that I say that a lot, but this is actually for real.
Exactly.
I don't think that my camera is giving justice into what am I seeing right now. It's I don't know if there's a word above beautiful, gorgeous, amazing, wonderful, stunning, incredible. This is the most amazing views I've ever had in my life. We are now looking for a way to pay for the car park because apparently they only accept cash and we didn't bring cash. Let's see how they are. Were you able to find a way to pay? Welcome to Honister Pass. I think it's gonna be challenging for the driver of this bus because the roads are so steep.
So it means they are the best of the best driver here. Honester.
I've always wanted to do hiking like this, but I don't ever get a chance to do so. So now I'm finally doing it. I promised myself that I'm gonna do things that I'm always afraid of doing, and I'm going to live my life to the fullest. And I hope you guys, whoever watching this, are doing the same. Because we only live once, and we have to explore and enjoy the most of it. I thought this is the end. I didn't realize there's more. Anyway, I signed up for this. I should be all out.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long.
Did I still make it?
If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It's true.
Hi guys.
This is not the very end of the hike, but this is the end for us. We're so tired and we're running out of time.
Exactly.
We booked a cruise tour and we need to get there in time. So we're gonna stop here.
I've heard the rumor, I've heard the talk on the town. They say you're alone now. They say that you ain't.
You know what? This reminds me of Switzerland. I haven't been to Switzerland, but I've seen the pictures. I've seen loads of videos about it. Look at this. Every time someone asks me what's my favorite place in England, I would always say, I don't know yet. But you know what? Right now, I can finally answer that question. And my favorite place is the Lake District.
Like a dandelion, my love's gonna break right through those concrete floors and the solid walls. Will all be made to part, and my dandelion love is gonna reach your heart. I've asked you out, I've invited you in. Ooh, I've shown you a real good time, the best you can have